Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, ZTE Axon 20 5G, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on your device. So firstly, let's open the control panel and let's disable all unnecessary features. So, as you can see here, I have enabled several unused features, and if you have unused features enabled, you need to disable it. So for example, if you are using mobile network right now but not using Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi. And if you are using the Wi-Fi and not using mobile network, so disable the mobile network. Disable the Bluetooth if you are not using listening to music in headphones. Disable location if you are not using the maps right now. Disable NFC if you don't want to pay in several hours. Disable the hotspot if you are not sending the internet connection to other Android devices. And of course, open, click on the edit button and check nearby share. Check nearby share, drag it to the upper part of the screen, and as you can see, here is my nearby share. It's enabled, and if nearby share is enabled, it constantly searching for nearby Android devices and contains battery too. So I suggest you to disable it. Then open the settings application and find here home screen. Oh, so sorry, not home screen, but just normal display. And here, as you can see, we have screen refresh rate. We have 16, 60 and 90. So of course, if you will use 90 Hz mode, your device will be smoother, but I suggest you enable 60 mode to improve your battery life, because in this mode your screen consumes less battery power. But then you need to enable dark mode. So click turn on now, because your screen was created by 1000 micro LED lamps, and it means that mini lamp can't show black color. So if you see black color on your screen, it means that lamps in this area are disabled. So in my case, for example, now more than 50% of my screen is just disabled and not consuming the battery power. So enable this mode, then scroll down in settings menu and find here battery. And here we have power saver mode. In this mode, your smartphone will live up to 6 hours longer, or you can enable ultra power saving mode. In this mode, your device will live several days. So just add phones app, messages app, and maybe browser app to use this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.